How to log in to Deezer account. So if you want to log into your Deezer account, then first of all you need to install the application. To install, you can open up your Play Store or your App Store, go for the search bar and search for Deezer, and here you will have the application, right? So now what you can do is, after installing, you can simply go for open button, and now you can simply log in with your Google or your Facebook, or you can also continue with your email. So I'll be choosing email option, and here you need to enter your email address and tap on continue. Now after entering your email, you need to enter your password. So if you forgot your password, then you can go for login without password, and then you can open up your mail. And after opening your mail, you will have a link to your mail, so that you can click on that link and then you will be logged into your account. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password and then tap on continue. And that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.